Rhiana and Noah's toy review.
Yes! Wow, that's a lot of ice cream, Noah. And number 2 cones.
What about
Next. Wow, you got your pink ones. Wow, 7. Wow, that's a lot, Noah.
Yeah, we're going to open it.
Okay, let's open it. This is the counting cones from Lakeshore. Wow, look at that, Noah. That's good.
I just took out.
Oh, come on.
Wow.
I got it.
Whoa, that's a very tall ice cream.
Ah, where's my ice cream? I took my ice cream home.
All right. Okay, so we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7 ice cream cones.
I need 3.
Okay. 3.
Yeah, I win.
All right. And 2. Next, number 3. Where's number 3? Over there. Give me. 2, 3. Noah is doing number 4. 1.
I need blue.
Okay. 2, 3.
4.
One more. 4. Good job, Noah.
5.
That's 5?
Yeah.
Noah is making the 5th cone. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, Noah. 4 scoops of ice cream. Yay! All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. My love, you have to count the scoops. How many scoops do you have? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. You need 1 more. 1 more scoop. 6. Yay! Good job, Noah. We have cherries. Watermelon. Cherries, strawberries. Oh, how many scoops do you have, Noah?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mango flavor. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Maybe mix it.
Okay.
We mix.
Okay, you can mix, no problem.
And we
Avocado or a lemon? Alright.
avocado.
Avocado. Better.
Okay,
Wow.
And
2.
3, 4,
No,
5,
blueberry.
6, 7, 8.
Enough.
No, 8. 8. It's just 8?
Yay. 10 scoops. Good job, Noah. Yay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't eat it, my love. Oh no.
Ice cream.
Yay.